Is your kitchen a cluttered mess? Do you find it difficult to cook with joy when surrounded by chaos? Don't worry, my friends, for we are about to embark on a journey to transform your kitchen into a chef's paradise. In this video, I will share with you my most cherished tips and tricks to bring harmony and functionality to your kitchen. We will explore simple yet effective organization hacks that will spark joy every time you step into your culinary haven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tips. Get ready to be inspired and transform your kitchen into a space you truly love. The magic of a transformation. It's incredible how a little organization can completely change the feel of a space, especially our beloved kitchens. Let's take a look at some before and after photos of kitchens that have undergone their own tidying festival. Notice the cluttered countertops, the overflowing drawers, the chaotic pantry. They don't spark much joy, do they? But look, with a little effort and a touch of mindfulness, these kitchens have been reborn. The countertops are now clear and inviting, ready for culinary creativity. The drawers are organized, allowing for easy access to utensils and tools. And the pantry, a symphony of categorized goodness. Imagine yourself in these transformed kitchens. Doesn't the mere sight of such order and tidiness fill you with a sense of peace and inspiration? Remember, our kitchens are not just places to prepare meals, they are the heart of our homes, where nourishment and connection intertwine. By decluttering and organizing this space, we are not just creating a more functional area, but also inviting positive energy and joy into our lives. So let these transformations inspire you. Embrace the journey of tidying and discover the profound impact it can have on your kitchen and your well-being. Now that we've witnessed the transformative power of organization, let's roll up our sleeves and create some clever storage solutions ourselves. The beauty of DIY projects is that they allow you to tailor your space to your specific needs and preferences. Remember, tidying doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a bit of ingenuity, you can transform everyday items into practical storage solutions. With a little creativity and some simple DIY magic, you can turn even the smallest kitchen into a well-organized haven. We can create storage solutions that are both functional and spark joy. Think about how satisfying it will be to have everything in its place, easily accessible and beautifully displayed. First, let's talk about pegboards. These versatile wonders are a godsend for small kitchens or those who love to keep frequently used items within easy reach. Imagine hanging your spatulas, whisks, and ladles on a charming pegboard. Not only will it free up drawer space, but it will also add a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. Pegboards can be customized to fit your style. Paint them in a color that complements your kitchen decor or leave them in their natural wood state for a more rustic look. Not only will it free up drawer space, but it will also add a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. You can even add small shelves or hooks to hold other kitchen essentials. Next, we have drawer dividers, the heroes of organized drawers. No more rummaging through a jumbled mess of utensils. With dividers, you can create designated compartments for your forks, spoons, knives, and other kitchen essentials. Each item will have its own special place, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Drawer dividers can be made from a variety of materials, such as wood, plastic, or even repurposed cardboard. Choose a material that suits your kitchen's aesthetic and your budget. Each item will have its own special place, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. You can even label the compartments for an extra level of organization. Remember, the key to successful DIY storage solutions is to choose materials that spark joy and reflect your personal style. Whether it's reclaimed wood, colorful paint, or elegant metal finishes, let your creativity shine through. Personalizing your storage solutions not only makes them more functional, but also adds a unique touch to your kitchen. Let your creativity shine through. By putting a little love and effort into creating your own storage solutions, you'll not only maximize space but also infuse your kitchen with a sense of personalized organization that truly sparks joy. By putting a little love and effort into creating your own storage solutions, you'll not only maximize space but also infuse your kitchen with a sense of personalized organization that truly sparks joy. Plus, there's a certain satisfaction that comes from knowing you crafted these solutions with your own hands. You'll not only maximize space but also infuse your kitchen with a sense of personalized organization that truly sparks joy. So gather your materials, unleash your creativity, and start crafting your organized oasis today. The art of categorization, a place for everything and everything in its place. My friends, let us now delve into the heart of kitchen organization, the art of categorization. This is where the magic happens, transforming chaos into a symphony of order. When we categorize our belongings, we bring a sense of order and purpose to our surroundings. It's not just about tidiness, it's about creating a space that works for you, making your kitchen a place of efficiency and joy. Think of your kitchen as a library of delicious possibilities. Each item has its own story, its own place, and when everything is in its place, the story flows seamlessly. Just as books are organized by genre and author, Our kitchen items should be grouped by category and purpose. This not only makes it easier to find what you need, but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. Let's start with spices, the heart and soul of flavor. Spices can often be the most chaotic part of a kitchen, but with a little effort, they can become a beautiful and functional part of your space. Instead of having them scattered throughout your kitchen, gather all your spice jars and give them a dedicated space. This not only saves time, but also ensures that you always know where to find that elusive jar of cumin or paprika. You can use a tiered shelf, a lazy Susan, or even small containers within a drawer. These tools help maximize space and keep everything within easy reach. Arrange them alphabetically or by cuisine, whatever sparks joy for you. Next, let's tackle utensils. Utensils are the tools of your culinary trade, and having them organized can make a world of difference. Group similar items together, cooking utensils with cooking utensils, baking tools with baking tools, and so on. This way you can easily grab what you need without rummaging through a cluttered drawer. Use drawer dividers or small containers to keep each category separate and easily accessible. This not only keeps things tidy, but also prolongs the life of your utensils by preventing unnecessary wear and tear. Cookware can often feel bulky and overwhelming, but fear not. With a bit of strategic planning, even the most cumbersome pots and pans can be neatly organized. Stack pots and pans according to size with lids stored vertically to save space. This not only makes your cabinets look more organized, but also makes it easier to find the right pot or pan when you need it. You can also use tension rods within cabinets to create vertical dividers for baking sheets, cutting boards, and serving trays. This simple trick can free up a lot of space and make your kitchen more functional. Remember, the key to successful categorization is to be mindful of your own cooking habits and preferences. What works for one person might not work for another, so tailor your organization to fit your unique needs. Create categories that make sense to you and bring you joy. After all, a well-organized kitchen is not just about efficiency, it's about creating a space where you love to cook and spend time. Organization layouts. Designing your dream kitchen workflow. Now that we've explored storage solutions and categorization, let's talk about the overall layout of your kitchen. The layout is the backbone of your kitchen's functionality, and getting it right can transform your cooking experience from chaotic to seamless. Just like a well-choreographed dance, an efficient kitchen layout can make all the difference in your cooking experience. It's about creating a space where every movement is fluid and every tool is within reach, reducing unnecessary steps and making cooking a joy rather than a chore. Imagine this: you're preparing a delicious meal, and everything you need is within arm's reach. No more running around the kitchen looking for that elusive spice jar or the right pan. Everything has its place, and every place is within easy reach. Your pots and pans are stored near the stove. Your cutting board and knives are conveniently located by the sink, making the transition from prep to cooking smooth and effortless. And your spices are neatly organized near your prep area. This setup not only saves time, but also keeps your kitchen looking tidy and organized. This, my friends, is the power of a well-designed kitchen workflow. It's about creating a space that works for you, where every item has a purpose and a place. When planning your kitchen layout, consider the flow of your cooking process. Think about how you move through your kitchen and arrange your zones to support that flow. Think about the steps you typically take when preparing a meal. Do you start by gathering ingredients, then move to chopping and prepping, and finally to cooking? Your kitchen should support this natural progression, and arrange your kitchen zones accordingly. This means creating distinct areas for storage, prep, and cooking, each designed to make your tasks easier and more efficient. Start with your storage areas. These are the foundation of your kitchen layout, and getting them right is crucial. Keep frequently used items, such as everyday dishes, glassware, and cutlery, in easily accessible cabinets and drawers near your dishwasher or sink. This makes setting the table and cleaning up after meals quick and easy. In easily accessible cabinets and drawers near your dishwasher or sink. This makes setting the table and cleaning up after meals quick and easy. Less frequently used items, such as special occasion serveware or appliances, can be stored in higher cabinets or pantry shelves. This keeps them out of the way, but still accessible when you need them. Can be stored in higher cabinets or pantry shelves. This keeps them out of the way, but still accessible when you need them. Next, consider your prep zone. This is where the magic begins, where raw ingredients are transformed into delicious dishes. This is where you'll be chopping vegetables, measuring ingredients, and getting everything ready for cooking. It's the heart of your kitchen workflow, and mixing up culinary masterpieces. Make sure this area is well lit and has plenty of counter space to spread out your ingredients and tools. Ensure you have ample counter space and easy access to your knives, cutting boards, mixing bowls, and measuring cups. This will make your prep work more efficient and enjoyable. Finally, let's talk about your cooking zone. This is where the magic happens, where all your prep work comes together to create delicious meals. This is where the magic happens. Your cooking zone should be designed for efficiency and ease of use. Keep your pots, pans, lids, and cooking utensils within arm's reach of your stovetop or oven. This will make it easy to grab what you need without interrupting your cooking flow. You can also use wall-mounted racks or magnetic strips to store frequently used tools, such as spatulas, whisks, and ladles. This keeps them within easy reach and frees up drawer space for other items. By thoughtfully designing your kitchen layout, you can create a space that not only looks great but also makes cooking a pleasure. A well-organized kitchen is the key to a happy cooking experience. As we come to the end of our tidying journey, let's quickly recap the key points. Organize your kitchen by categorizing items using storage solutions and maintaining a clean workspace. I hope you feel empowered to transform your kitchen into a space that sparks joy and inspires culinary creativity. Remember, an organized kitchen is not about perfection, but about creating a space that supports your love for cooking and brings you a sense of peace. Now let's put these tips into action. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen hacks and organization tips. Share your own tidying journey with me. I'd love to hear about your transformations. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.